What's up, y'all? It's your girl Kobe, and welcome back to my channel. 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 What's up, y'all? So I don't know if y'all heard, but there's like a really big storm coming, so we're gonna do a little bit of grocery shopping. I said a little bit of grocery shopping. There's just a few things I want to get, and I also want to get the no bake mac and cheese. Mac and cheese is crazy.
Yay!
Not mac and cheese, baby.
Yay.
Oh yeah. Stop pressing that.
Yay!
Stop pressing the buttons. I also want to get the no bake cheesecake and get some Biscoff cookies. I've been seeing it on TikTok, so I really want to try it. If y'all want to see how that comes out, go ahead and check the shorts. But let's just stop. That's not funny. Come here, please.
No.
Yeah, come here. You can't honk the horn.
Hmm?
You can't honk the horn. You heard me. But anyway, give me a kiss.
Mm.
Why you move your face like that? Ah! All right. So yeah, we're just about to go ahead and get right into this video. I'll see you guys in the store. Y'all see me in the store. And yeah, we'll see you when we get there. You ready? Come on, let's go. I wanted to get fruits and vegetables. Do they have any of that here? Wait, hold on. $4.99, $8.99, $7.99, $6.99, $12.99. Like, we're already up there. It's already like $200-$300. That I'm not spending. Okay. What happened? You want egg rolls, or do you want dumplings?
Yeah.
You want dumplings?
Okay.
Egg rolls. That's what you want? Okay. You don't even eat egg rolls for real. When we go to the Chinese place, you don't eat egg rolls. That's crazy.
Literally. What are you gonna do when the sushi runs out?
Nothing. Stop using the bathroom.
Now that's crazy.
Start fasting so you don't have to use the bathroom. Okay, where would this cheesecake thing be? Because that's all. There's eggs right there, $1.49. 30 pack is crazy. How much is the 30 pack? That's why we need to stop eating eggs. I don't know. I don't care what you do. Do what you do. Good. Okay, wait, hold on.
For it. So, tell me what you think.
I'm paying for it?
Yes.
Because I got the bread?
Yes, all of it.
Because I'm the breadwinner?
Yes,
Today is crazy. Today is crazy.
These are $3.99 for mine.
That's great. That's just $9.88. Oh, mother, come on, look. Well, how much? What is the 30 pack?
I don't know. It's usually like $7. So do you think we're better off getting get 3 of those, and that's like
12, 20, that's a 12 pack, right?
yeah, 12 packs,
That's
12 times 3 is 36, right? So if you get 3, you get 36 eggs for $3, $4.50.
That's cheaper, right? See what I'm saying?
Look at that.
Gotta get some eggs.
Coffee creamer over there.
Oh, I wanted to get the coffee creamer that was on sale at Stop and Shop. That's messed up. But I wanted to get... Hold on, real quick. Let's... I just want to see if they have this no bake cheesecake.
See, that's not important. That's not a priority.
Oh, and it's expensive. Oh no. See if they have a smaller one. They don't. $12 is crazy. I might have to see if they got it somewhere else. Cause Wait, where else are we going?
You said you wanted to go to Trader Joe's.
Yeah. So we can't go to Stop and Shop?
If you want to go to Stop and Shop, we can go to Stop and Shop.
Because that no bake cheesecake is $12.
Well, that's not important, is it?
It is. No, it actually is. It's an investment, actually. Yes, I know. And then they have the bigger pack for $6.49.
12.
Yeah.
You go a 6 and all.
Yeah, and the 6 is $3.89.
Double the price.
Yeah.
Double the amount.
Or they have 2 of these Go-Gurts, 2 for $8.79. And there's 20 in there. That'd be 40 yogurts. Or you could just get 1 for $5.49.
And it's 10 in the box? No, it's 20 in the box.
20.
And you get 20 yogurts for 5.
Or should I just get that one cheap one that everybody seem to get?
Yeah, probably.
Frosty marshmallow.
You eat it anyway, it's sweet.
Okay, high five. Huh? What? Yeah, these are on sale at
Yeah.
a Stop and Shop. I think.
Regular buttermilk, yeah.
Okay, do you want more cookies? You want more cookies? Oh, he said no. You said no cookies. Sometimes you just gotta crash out. Sure, that's the good one. This right here is the good jelly. Okay. Biscoff. Biscoff. Which ones I usually
Oh,
get?
no, I thought you just want the case of cookies.
No. I'm gonna just get these right here, bowling baskets. But how much are the biscuits? Are they over there?
Usually.
Well, they might have. These are $3.99. Imagine I put these in the cheesecake. You want the five? You want the five? Yes, you do. Yes, it is. Mother, what does that got to do with today and tomorrow and the next day and the next day? That's a lie. That's a lie.
The other Biscoff ones is down that way.
Wow.
Nope, don't touch that. You don't even play. You don't even play with any of the cards. Okay.
Hey, no.
You don't even play with any of the cards you have. I mean, cards. Cards. We literally left the card at home, so we might have to go back and get it. What happened?
6. It's about to get crazy out because, you know, we want to get off work early. This and that.
Why are they getting off work
I
early?
don't fucking know.
Make that up. It's not a national holiday.
Because they could. Alright,
So right now we are literally trying to go to the grocery store, but for some reason the cards aren't working. I don't know what's going on. Like, I have my card. I might try it. But I like sent my mother money and it's not working. So I don't know what we're about to do. She's actually in the store right now trying to figure out if it's gonna work. Cause we don't want to go grocery shopping, get some stuff, and just for the card to not work. So it don't even make sense. We gotta make sure that we can spend the money. So that's what we're going through right now. We did get a few things from ShopRite, but like, I wanted to get fruits and vegetables and stuff for my son or whatever. So we're gonna see if we can do that. But I don't know. She says she is on their website trying to figure it out. Honestly, at this point, I just gotta figure out what me and my son are gonna eat. I wanted to make some like butter chicken, like a chicken breast with like butter sauce or something, and like mashed potatoes or whatever. But you know, if we can't get this to work, then we can't have dinner. But whatever. I'm a little over it. I low-key just want to take a nap, but whether or not my son is going to take a nap is debatable, and I don't know. Guys, so literally we came in here and there's like 2 carts left. I think I'm gonna get Akai some more bananas. Or not. Actually, no, because we're going to Trader Joe's. So I'm not gonna get bananas. Yeah, come on. Akai. Let's go. $4.99.
Want to enjoy a world of feel-good deals this winter? You've come to the right place. Shop our family
That's
of
crazy.
brands for great savings on every
That's why I was looking at that
You can
one.
save big by stocking up with Stop and Shop brand
$4.99.
or warm up with easy to enjoy chicken noodle or tomato
Okay,
soup
keep
from
stop.
Nature's Promise. And don't forget to treat yourself to gourmet cookies from our
crazy.
bakery. So go ahead.
How much is that?
Your winter must-haves and enjoy
$8.99.
all season long. Things are
That's crazy. Just what you doing coffee shopping? Wait, how much are coffee filters usually? They're expensive. That says $2.49. I was always getting this matcha, like the matcha powder. But we can just use green tea matcha, right?
I don't think it's the same. Is it tea bags?
Yeah. Why isn't that the same? It's real Japanese matcha.
No, but it's different. Matcha is I think that's just gonna look like a cup of green tea. That's what that's gonna look like.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We could make that into chai. I mean,
But it's not
matcha.
gonna be green when you add anything else to it.
Bro.
That's what the powder's for.
Stop. This is what my son does. This is what he does. He does things like this. On a regular.
No.
Yes.
I have to put on somebody's call. I don't even know who called this is. And my son has stole some lollipops. And I went to Style and Shop. I couldn't find the no bake cheesecake. It's really upsetting.
No.
Hi.
No.
We're going to Trayvonte Joseph's.
We got some hamburger meat, some chicken. We got my son and the lollipop that he stole. Bro, we don't need that much meat. Cause what are the sides?
We have potatoes, we have rice. Only what other side? Only other side I know is that. I'll go about to say them to just feed one person.
That's all we need to eat. I'm gonna
Only
feed.
one person's gonna be able to eat.
Exactly. Only one person needs to eat at a time. My bad.
No, because his daddy promised my dinner.
Bro.
For bringing out $10 for that joint sausage, you should be busting.
No. Get the Impossible meat.
No.
Well, we got chicken with eggs for breakfast.
No.
What's wrong with that?
That's disgusting.
You don't even know. That might be delicious.
Why can't I just buy that for $8? $9? It's on sale for $8.99.
I don't know why you're looking
It's
at.
40 sausages.
Do what you gotta do. I don't know why you're looking at me.
Because I'm trying to make sure you got enough for Trader Homes.
Yeah, and my cheesecake.
I don't know what you're talking about, bro.
I'm getting my cheesecake.
Alright, just don't eat no sausage then.
That's fine. And I wanted to make sure Kai has fruits.
I know.
Because he needs fruits.
I'm trying to be there with you. But I want sausage in the morning.
Yeah, but so you have to compromise something. Hamburger meat or chicken.
Let's count. 10, 20,
Okay.
8.
What?
It's about $30.
Exactly. What's left after that? We secured the bag. This was, and actually this was perfect because we're supposed to make it and let it sit overnight, I think.
You had
But
to make it?
No, you gotta put the cookies in and let the cookies sit overnight so they like get like soft.
Whatever you don't want your cookies soft.
Then
Dip
eat
a
it.
hard cookie in there and eat it. Like
Yeah, but that's not the point. It's viral for a reason. Anyway, in the other store it was $12.99. This is $6.99, bro. What? You want a lollipop? You want a lollipop?
Come on, we'll get lollipops.
You want bubbles? All right. Bruh. Come on, give me your hand. But the last store we're going to is Trader Joe's. We got just enough to get the fruits and vegetables. And I'm going to see if they have heavy whipping cream. And then I might try to get like a small caramel. We got to get some oil. So that's pretty much it for all of our shopping. I'm not going to lie. I'm a little overstimulated right now trying to like record, vlog, watch my son, make sure he doesn't run away and stuff like that. Yeah, so I may or may not vlog in the rest of these stores, but we did the shopping that we needed to do today. And now I'm hungry. I want to eat and I want to watch Bates Motel. And I'm going to make this no-bake cheesecake tonight so that tomorrow we can try it, okay? And that's pretty much all that's going on. So if I vlog the rest of this day, I'll see y'all in there. If I don't, I'll see y'all next time. Bye.